Today we'll see how to create Gmail account. So first I'm going to Google. So here you can see this option. One is Gmail. Either you can click on this Gmail. If you already have Gmail account, it will directly take you to your existing Gmail account. So this is one way. And here, if you have already Gmail accounts, it will show here. So currently I have two accounts. So one is this and this. And if you want to create a new one, you can click on this add another account. So this is second option. And third one, you can type like simply Google and enter here. So you can come here and so this window will open and you can go either here Google or through this profile. And second one is you can type like Gmail, Gmail login, and you can enter this and you can come to here Gmail. Since I have already account, it will open my existing account. So now what I will do, I will sign out from my all accounts. So either you can do sign out from existing accounts or you can click on add another account. So I'm clicking on this and here it asking for my email. So first I'll type like what is my required mail ID. So here I will mention like Azure ADB @gmail.com. So this is my required Gmail. So I'll click on next or otherwise what you can do here is you can click on this create account. So here you will see three options. So one is for my personal use, for my child and for my work or my business. So here I want to create for my personal use. Just click on this. So here I'm typing my first name. So here my first name I'm typing like Azure and last name I'm typing as ADB and I'll click on next and here it will ask you like your date of birth. So here I will give some month and date and I will mention year and I will select the gender and I'll click on next. So here it will suggest two mail IDs based on your initial input, like your first name and last name. Based on that, it's suggesting these two email IDs. So if you are happy to select either of these, you can directly select and click on next. Or if you want to your customize mail ID, then just click on this, create your own Gmail address. Then it will display here. So here already at the rate gmail.com here is it. So here what I will do, I will mention like Azure ADB chunk. So here I given this one. So I will click on next. So if this mail ID is available, it will go to next. Otherwise, it will suggest again. So I will click on next. So since that is valid, so it directly asking for password. So here I'm taking my password. So I entered my password, then I'm clicking on next. So here it asking to scan the QR code from your phone. So here what I'm doing, I'm trying to scan the code, this QR code, and I'm opening here. And in your mobile phone, it will ask you to verify your phone number. So here I'm clicking on verify. So you'll get message like this may take a few moments. Just we need to wait for few moments. Yeah. So in my mobile, so I verified, I clicked on verify. So once it is verified, so then it will come this one. So here it asking recovery email address. So either you can enter your existing mail ID, or you can give some other's mail ID like your friend or your family members. So it will be useful. So whenever you have some issue with your mail ID, so whenever you have issue with your mail ID, so it will come messages to your this recovery email address. So if you want to provide this recovery email, you can provide it, or you can simply skip this one. So I'm trying to click on this skip. So as soon as I skip, so here it asking for phone number. Since I'm located in India, so I selected this one. By default, it is coming this one. So India plus 91. And here I'm entering my mobile number. So then I click on next. So here it asking if you like, you can add your phone number to your account for access Google services. For example, your number will be used to receive video calls and messages. So here you can select either as Amin, or you can click on skip. So currently I'm clicking on yes Amin. And so this is my initial, I given this name. So then my mail ID is this one, like Azure ADB channel at gmail.com. And my recovery phone number is this one. So by default, it took my default phone. And I'm clicking on next. So then you come at the bottom and click on agree. I agree. So now it asking would like to allow other Mac OS applications to use this Google account. So here I'm clicking on allow. So if you don't wish, you can click on not now. So done. So now your Gmail is created now. So you can see here, if you place mouse here, it showing that Google account, Azure ADB, Azure ADB channel at gmail.com. So you can click here, and so here it asking to add recovery email ID. So if you wish, you can add it recovery email ID. So here, if you click on this Gmail, it will take you to your new Gmail. So say this, my new Gmail ID is created, and see here everything is empty. So here, if you want to sign out from this email ID, you can sign out this one. You can click on this option like sign out of all accounts. So if you wish, you can use this add recovery mail ID. So that's how you can create Gmail account. So this mainly I created this Gmail account on my Mac OS. So this the verification method may vary for Windows and Mac OS. So for Mac OS case, so whenever I entered my phone number, it asked me to scan the code, QR code. So I did from my mobile, then I clicked on verify. So maybe for Windows, as soon as you enter your mobile number, it may ask you to enter OTP. So if you enter OTP, it will create the account. So that's all about this video on how to create Gmail ID. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.